This video is specially made to help you relax. If you're feeling a bit down or tired, take a moment and unwind and let yourself be carried away by this soothing melody. If you believe that this beautiful melody could not exist without the genius of a musician, then think about all the beauty that surrounds you. The bird songs, the colors of the sunset, the harmony of nature. Is it really possible that all of this is the result of pure chance?